Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Momentum problems are tricky, but we will solve this elastic collision between two spheres quickly. Let's find the correct momentum values together. In a one-dimensional elastic collision where the first object is heavier than the second, the incoming sphere will continue moving forward after the impact occurs. It does not stop or bounce. Since the first sphere keeps moving, its final momentum must be greater than 0. However, it transfers some energy, so its momentum is definitely less than the initial value of P0. The second sphere also gains momentum. Therefore, both spheres end with momentum values greater than 0 but less than the original P0. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given facts and check steps for option C.